Number 127. Tanya borrows $8,000 at a simple interest rate of 7%. How much money in interest will she pay in 5 years? These kind of problems, the simple interest rate problems, they're very common on the GED math portion of the exam. To calculate the simple interest, you need to know the formula. Simple interest is equal to the principal times the interest rate multiplied by the time, which is typically the time in years. The principal, the amount that she borrows, is $8,000. The interest rate is 7%, but as a decimal, that's 0.07 if you divide it by 100. And it's 5 years. That's T, the time. So 8,000 times 0.07 times 5. So in 5 years, she's going to pay $2,800 in interest. So that's the answer.